Hello friends, let us make some do-it-yourself craft works. Here in this video, I'm using some leaves, different colored, different shaped leaves are taken. First green colored leaves are arranged at the bottom. It looks like small shrubs, and large yellow colored leaves are taken, and we will cut it in different shapes so that we can make a dinosaur. It's actually so horrible, dangerous, angry. So we can quickly go to the next one. I'll explain this. We have taken a circular shaped paper, and we will also take different colored leaves, and the leaves are pasted like this. Now another paper is taken, and pencil is taken into powder. Some powdered pencil are dripped there so that we have a small shade of a mountain. Here, in the next item, we take small dried leaves, we make it smaller and smaller, and we spread some glue on the paper and we scatter the leaves. Then another green leaf is taken and cut in a special shape. Okay, now, who is this? Can you see this? This is a porcupine. So while selecting that leaf, you should be careful because some leaves have some thorny structure on the end. Some sharp-edged leaves are there. So you should select such leaves so that it will look like a porcupine after that small cutting. Our next item is also made using leaves. Here I have taken large yellow colored leaves and I have cut one large leaf into two pieces, which looks like a semicircle, and then on that I am pasting different colored leaves with a small stem on it. Now it looks like trees on rocks. Good to go, thank you.